The Superfans project is another amazing project built on Solana blockchain, and they've distributed their first airdrop for season one on the 14th of this month, February. And the second, the season two of this airdrop is currently ongoing. And guess what? It's doubled allocation compared to the season one, so you've not missed anything at all. If you are seeing this video, make sure you take position immediately with this Superfans project, because I joined their Twitter space yesterday, and guess what, guys? It was amazing. They have a whole lot of things in stock. They are currently listed on the X, which is the Radium swap. So we are waiting for their CX listing this Q2 2024. So you have the opportunity to farm this season 2 airdrop now and earn as much points as you can. So this is how to earn points, just a simple task. Number one, you connect your Twitter, you connect your Discord, you connect your Telegram, and that's it. And you connect your Phantom wallet, which is the Solana wallet. So for those that are having issues on how to do this task, opening it on Phantom wallet and it has not been opening, or you are unable to do the task, I would just suggest you import your Phantom wallet to your wallet browser extension, which is the Mrs. browser or Kiwi browser. If you are new to Mrs. browser or Kiwi browser, go to Play Store. I did this in one of my video, which is the grass airdrop video. I explained how to install and use this Mrs. browser thing. For those that are yet to understand, this is it. Come to Play Store, download Mrs. browser. You see, I'm having it on my phone, and this is it. So after you're done downloading the Mrs. browser, you have it on your phone and you open it. Then go back to the home page of the Mrs. browser. On this home page, by default, you don't need to set up anything. You don't need to set up anything actually. You can just select the wallet extension you want to import. By default, you'll be seeing that Phantom wallet. You see it here on the Mrs. browser homepage under this extension wallet. This beside this MetaMask wallet. So once you click on it, it will tell you add to Chrome. Let me show you. If you click on that Phantom logo, you see mine is showing remove from Chrome because I have added it to Chrome already. But for you that are just downloading it, that you are just installing it, it will tell you add to Chrome. You click on that add to Chrome. Then the second one is add extension. The moment you click on that add extension, that's it. It will automatically bring up the wallet setup. Maybe you want to create a new wallet or you want to import a new wallet. If you've not downloaded the Phantom wallet, what's it called? The Phantom wallet app, you don't have an account on it already, you can create a new wallet. But if you already had the app, just import wallet. Copy your face key and import the wallet on the Mrs. browser. This is a seamless way to do the task for this Superfans airdrop. Because if you are opening it on the app, you are not. I tried it and the task is not going through. You will not be able to navigate around. It's just kind of stressful. But if you open it on this Mrs. browser, the new tab will keep on opening. We open on a new tab. Each of the tasks will open on a new tab, so you can do the tasks seamlessly. So get on board, guys. So after you're done installing your Mrs. browser, and the next thing is to paste this Superfans registration link. Paste it on the open a tab and paste it there. Then it will pop up. Connect a wallet. The moment it pop up, connect the Phantom wallet. You select Phantom wallet. After you've connected your wallet, connect your Twitter, connect your Discord, and connect your Telegram. When you are done connecting all of that, then come back to these tags. You see all of these tags: repost tweets, all of these repost tweets, like, repost. These are what you do to earn the points. More points, more tokens, more airdrop. If I should say, let me just click on one. I want to repost. I'll just proceed. I'll click on these streets. It will open. You see how the thing is opening on a new tab. If you are doing this on the DApp browser of the Phantom wallet, you will not be able to navigate around. It's somehow. So use a wallet browser extension so that you can have a seamless experience. So this is it. I'll just repost these streets, then go back. You see Superfans lodge for social fee. Then I'll click on the repost button. I've done the tax like that. That's why it's first important to connect your Twitter account so that when you are doing this tax, they will be able to verify it. Then there I'll come back and see verify retreat. Tax successfully completed. So I will do as many because I collected the Telegram bot. The tax is popping up. So I will do as many as I can. This one, comments on tweets, 20 points. I'll click on the tweets here. Then this is how to do the tax. So this is how to do the Superfans tax. Guys, get on board as soon as you're seeing this video. Register. Check the registration link on the pin post in the comment section or the description box. Check the registration link. Get started. Start farming this project so that you don't miss out. It's gonna be an amazing one, considering the fact that it's already on Solana blockchain. And for those that got the first batch, you automatically, when you are trying to claim, you automatically stake it. The staking is automatic, but you can unstake for those that got the first batch. If you want to unstake, you can unstake. And okay, then I'll submit the URL. You say I did the comment link. You have to submit the URL, then verify all comments. You see? So for those that got the first batch of this airdrop, you are to the staking is automatic, but you can unstake if you want to. You can unstake and go and swap your token on Radium Exchange if you want to. But I just advise you to stake because considering the price currently is 2 cents. So you should be holding this kind of project because considering how Solana is making waves in the crypto space at the moment. So you don't want to sell anything for peanuts. Just hold and continue farming the season 2. Keep farming till the farming ended, then hopefully the CX listing. So this is how to do the Superfans tax and how to get started with it. I hope this video helps. So don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and check out other amazing videos on other potential airdrop, Zata SP farming. There's a video on it. What's it called? Grass, get grass. You need this Mrs. Browser for it. Get grass as well. There's a video for it. The hot wallet farming, kept registration, black forts, everything video for it. So check it out. Stay positioned. You can as well join me on the Telegram channel so you don't miss out on any of my updates. Check the pin post in the comment section or the description box for my registration, for the registration link for this Superfans and my Telegram channel link. Thank you for watching, guys. See you on the next one.